Okay, so the first step is to take off the old tires, the rims, or just one, just to keep it there. We're taking the final wheel off. On the Tire Rack website, it said that if you move to 9.5 inch or 10-inch rims, it would rub on the rear knuckle. Put the other side on, and there was no rubbing whatsoever. The best thing to do is to finger tighten them. Then you can use the, well, actually I can do this, okay, so that's fine. If you can't use your fingers, this is how you do it. Also finger tight. If you get any resistance, it means you're cross-threading them. So just back off, and usually it will snap into place. Whatever you do, do not force them. See? Once you get them started, you're good. Go right to this. Unfortunately, we don't have the proper. We do have the proper tool, but this is a little bit too big. It doesn't fit. So, you know, you're gonna scratch it. So you're gonna have to use a combination of. It's a lot of work, this restoration stuff. Anybody want to take over? Drop me a line. Okay, so finger tighten them. Do it in a cross pattern. So you cross torque them. So from here you go here, from here you go here. So you distribute the torque evenly. The emergency brake is on, so we can actually torque these while it's up in the air. Once again, I don't have proper tool. I'm using a spark plug tool. As long as it's 13/16, it's good to go.
Got a nice rumble to it. I mean, it's got what, a $3,000 exhaust on it, so it better sound good.
Oh, I see one.
Yeah, still on. I can't believe I'm actually excited to work at the Dragons Cup. Well, I get the Corvette next month.
Oh yeah.
February 10th they got the building.
The new vet?
Yeah. How do I go from Diablo to present job? I always like this.
Yeah, but see, this is something that you can like, you're not just buying it to because it already has everything. This is something that you can actually like work on, and it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's got some go to it.
Air conditioning works. We're not gonna use that bad.
Serious, that's
Nice.
gonna be easy to fix.
I like the exhaust.
Oh, it sounds good. It sounds a lot better than I thought it would. You really get some good turbo noise too.
That's third gear. Kind of lugging it.
Yeah.
8,000 RPM. I have no idea how fast it's going. Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. Is that enough?
Nah, it's a BMW.
That's racing. Once it hits 3,500, who wants to go?
Hey, those turbos kick in,